how to add a PDF to Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can add a PDF to Squarespace. To add a PDF in Squarespace or to Squarespace is not difficult. But one thing you must notice that you cannot do this directly on your Squarespace account. You have to open another account with elfsite.com. That is the place where you can carry out this function. So after you've logged in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here, open a new tab in your web browser and type out www.elfsites.com. Once you type it out, you'll be taken to the Elfsites homepage where you'll be asked to create an account. You have to create an account for you to do all the things you desire to do. Okay, so once you've created an account, you'll be taken to this page here, as you can see. And then once you're on this page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see a search bar. In the search bar, type PDF. All right, now once you type out PDF, you can see it here, PDF embed. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to choose a template. The template you have to choose will be determined by what you want. If you want a PDF file, research, magazine archive, etc. Once you've selected the one you want, click on continue with this template. Then here you can add a widget title if you desire, add new file. Just play around with all of this, and once you're done, by the right side of the screen you'll see the publish option. Click on it. Then your widget will be published and you'll be directed to another place where you have to pick a plan. If you want the basic plan, the pro plan, the pro or the premium plan. For me, I would go with the free plan. Then select it. Then once that is done, your code has been created. So just click on copy code. Then once you've clicked on copy code, go back to your Squarespace. All right, so this is my site, and then by the left side you will see a menu. Select website. Once you've selected it, scroll down on the menu displayed to you and select website tools. Then on the website tools menu, you would see custom CSS and then code injection. Click on code injection, and here if you select where you want the code to be located, either in the header, footer, log page, etc. For me, I want the log page, so I'll just left click and paste this here. So once it has been pasted, the save icon will be activated. Click on it, and then your website will be updated and PDF will be added to your site. So this is how you can add a PDF to Squarespace. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.